'Cause you be poppin', heard you get it poppin'.
All right, y'all, let's jump right into this unboxing. This is a unit from QTHAIR. This is 100% human hair. Y'all know that's all I really review. Be a cutie with QT hair. How cute is that? Period. Okay, she's cute. 8x5, 22 inch, 200 density. I love a thick curly hair. I love a thick curly wig. Like, a thick curly wig is gonna do it for me every single time. Okay, this is 22 inches, but it looks like pretty long. I did kind of want a mid-length curly wig because y'all know I love short curly hair. I love curly hair in general, but specifically I love like a short curly wig, like a little curly bob type thing, or like I just love like really long, like loose wave, water wave hair. This is Jerry curly, so the curls are going to be a little tighter than water wave or loose wave, so I kind of did want it to be a little bit shorter and look a little bit more natural, so I may trim a few inches off, but this is what it's giving. Also, we got some goodies. How cute is this? They gave me a rat tail comb, an edge brush, and a little black girl brush. Hold on, let's get into this, y'all. I love me some goodies, and it's all black. I don't know why I love that it's like black. Like, I don't know, something about black is just, you know, black is just so cute to me. Like, all black. How cute is that? And this little brush, I never got one of those, but how cute is that? Also, wig caps. This is the 8x5. It doesn't look like it's pre-bleached because I do see a lot of knots, but it maybe does look like it's pre-plucked a little bit. Ooh, no, this is gonna be really freaking cute, y'all. This is exactly like the kind of look I'm going for today because I'm about to go out to dinner. So and it's like a nice restaurant called Wagyu in Atlanta, so I did want to give like a short kind of like curly flip over like natural hair kind of look, and this right here is really about to get me all the way together. This is so freaking cute. And then it's the 8x5, so the lace is from here to here. That looks like a 13x4 almost to me. It's pre-cut. It looks like it could be plucked a little better. It does look slightly pre-plucked. And then as far as it being pre-bleached, it doesn't look pre-bleached to me. But what I'm about to do actually is go bleach this unit really fast, you guys. Personally, because I want my knots to be bleached. You guys do not have to do that, but I do think I want to go and bleach these knots. So yeah, that's what it's giving. So y'all stay tuned for the install. Don't go nowhere, BRB. All right, y'all, so please ignore how crazy I look right now. But I did bleach the knots on this unit. It took me no time. And I did pluck this unit as I showed y'all, and I just put makeup on my lace. So let's go ahead and throw this on and see what it's giving now that I've made a few adjustments to the wig. Okay, this is what she's giving so far, and let me just already say I already love the texture of this wig because I just love very curly hair. Like, I love curly hair. Like, I just love it really bad. So I knew I was gonna love the texture of this hair, and this is just so pretty. Like, yes. Like, look at these curls. Now I am going to trim this wig just a little bit, even though I know it's probably going to dry and shrink a little. I do want it to be a little bit more up, like on my shoulders. I don't want it this long, so I'm going to trim it, y'all. BRB. Oh my god, y'all, the curls are beautiful on this wig. Like, yes, these curls are absolutely beautiful. Like, this was the look that I was going for tonight with these curls. And usually I do hot comb the top of my wig, but like with wigs like this, I can just put mousse, honestly, because it's already wet and like it's already flat. I could just add some mousse to it and kind of sculpt it how I want it to lay. And I don't really need the hot comb right now because, I mean, look how flat it's laying with just the water. Okay, so I'm just gonna trim this just a little bit. That was about 1 inch. And I'm definitely gonna add a few layers to this. Literally just eyeballing how I want this to look. All right, now this side. This is like the quickest install of my life, y'all. All I gotta do is fix my baby hairs and glue this down, then I'm done. That's another thing I love about curly hair. It's honestly so quick and easy. The longest part is letting the hair dry, but like if you have somewhere to go and you leave, like by the time you get to where you gotta go, the hair already be dry. And I'm saying that because I know I be rushing to get places a lot, and like by the time I get to where I need to go, or by the time I'm halfway there, my hair is already dry in the car. I don't have to worry about, you know, blow drying it or straightening it, curling it, because it's already like, curly hair is just already done. How freaking gorgeous is this? Tell me this is not gorgeous, and it's not even dry yet. So gorgeous. I'm gonna cut a little bit more off. All right, so I'll probably cut off about 2 inches, but that's the look I wanted. So let's go ahead and play around with these baby hairs now. Mousse. Like, get into it. Y'all see what I be saying about the short curly hair with the baby hairs? Like, it's giving very much real hair. Like, this is so tea right now. So tea. So I'm about to spray this with some even one lace bond and put this band on and let this melt. And that is quite literally, y'all, all I do for these like really quick and easy installs when I'm on the go. That is literally all I do. It's so easy. Like, curly hair is honestly very, very easy to style, and it just looks so cute. Like, so tea.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Y'all, the hair is still drying, but like, tell me this don't eat down. Like, I'm gonna walk in a restaurant like the baddest in the restaurant, cause like, what? Snip that right there. Like, hello? Y'all could never ever make me hate wigs. Like, I'm gonna be a wig girly till I die, because if your hair not done, it's okay, just throw a wig on. Like, you don't feel like doing your natural hair, just throw on a wig. And who's gonna stop you? Literally, who's gonna stop you? Nobody. I'm rushing y'all, but I do have to go now. I wish I could let the hair dry fully and show y'all, but I am running a little late, so I do have to go. When I come back from dinner, I will take some more clips and everything, and I'll take some clips also while I'm out and insert them. But yeah, y'all, this is how the hair turned out. So cute, like I knew it would. Like, this was the exact vision I had in my head for this look with this top. I don't know, I feel like when I have on something like this that has my chest out, I kind of like my hair to be either short or pulled back. So yeah, really cute. Real tea. So y'all, that is the final look of this install. This is the unit from QTHAIR. This is their 8x5 glueless jerry curly wig in 22 inches, 200 density. Y'all, I just literally love jerry curly hair. Like, I just love curly hair. Like, this look turned out so pretty. I'm in love. Like, I'm just so in love. I'm obsessed with this look, y'all. I can't wait to put this wig back on again. So yeah, y'all, thank y'all so much for watching this video, and thank you QTHAIR for this unit. Also, these are some clips of the hair once it fully dried that I took in the car. So yeah, y'all, thank y'all for watching this video, and I'll see you on my next one. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.